Hello to everyone. Today we will discuss very important exception of annulene in aromatic compounds. Now what is annulene? Annulene, what is the definition of annulene? Annulene is a monocyclic compound having alternate double and single bond. Means there is a monocyclic and alternate double and single bond. Now in this case it is a annulene 4. Why it is annulene 4? Because of 4 carbon and alternate double and single bond. Means monocyclic having alternate double and single bond is known as annulene. So first of all write the definition, pause the video and write the definition of annulene. Now this is a very famous example of annulene 8. Why it is known as annulene 8? Because of 8-member ring. And what is annulene? Alternate double and single bond. Double bond, single bond, double bond, single bond. Got it? Now the hybridization of carbon is sp2. This means there must be a 120-degree angle. And if we calculate the angle in the ring, n minus 2 into 180 by n equal to 8. N is number of side 8. 8 means it is 6 by 8 means 3 by 4 into 180. 3/4 of 180. This means roughly what is the angle? 3/4 into 60. N minus 2, 6 by 4 means 3 by 4, 4, 6, 4.5 into 3, yani roughly it is a 135 degree, got it? This is the actual angle, it should be in the ring, but due to hybridization, this is the angle. So what is the ring strain? The strain is 15 degree. What I want to explain, the hybridization is sp2 and because of the ring size, it is 135 angle. The difference is known as strain. Now 15 degree strain. Now, in order to avoid this strain, this annulene 8 exists in tub shape. It is a special type of tub. To minimize its strain, it exists in tub shape. It is already written here, sp2 120 and angle is 35, there is a strain of 15 degree. Now, if it is exists in tub shape, this means these p orbitals, pi bond p orbitals and these p orbital are not parallel. Means the resonance is not possible in between these two. Now, since resonance is not possible, therefore, it is a non-aromatic. Got it? So, you have to remember the most famous exception, annulene 8 exists in tub shape. Why tub shape? Because of ring strain. Got it? Now, similarly, one more famous example is annulene 10. What is the meaning of annulene? Monocyclic compound having alternate double and single bond. This is annulene 10. Got it? Now in annulene 10, there is a repulsion of this HH. This HH will repel. Due to this hydrogen-hydrogen repulsion, the pi bond are not in exact coplanar. What exactly happened? Due to HH repulsion, one hydrogen goes slightly up, one hydrogen slightly down. Now due to change in position of hydrogen, the p orbital attached will also move. This means it will disturb the coplanarity. This means the coplanarity means resonance is disturbed. Therefore, it is a non-aromatic. What is the reason? The repulsion of hydrogen-hydrogen. In short, you have to, it is a point to remember, annulene 8 and annulene 10 is non-aromatic. Got it? This point you have to remember. Write in your notes, annulene 8, annulene 10 is non-aromatic. Although it is not annulene, but it is also important example of azulene. Azulene is an organic compound. This is azulene, is an organic compound, an isomer of naphthalene, whereas naphthalene is a colorless, azulene is a dark blue azulene skeleton. And found in nature, constituent of pigments, mushroom, gunning wood, some marine invasive. What exactly I want to explain, I don't want to go through the detail about this. The main point is that azulene, it exists in deuterion form. Why azulene exists in deuterion form? Now, right now, this ring is aromatic. If I hide right hand side ring, if I hide this ring, this is aromatic. But if I hide this ring, this is anti-aromatic. Now, what we have to do in order to make it aromatic, if I move this pi bond here, there will be negative charge, there will be positive charge. And this negative will delocalize. This means pi bond is common in between two rings. So what exactly happened? There is a 5-member ring, there is a 6-7-member ring, plus charge will delocalize in this ring, minus charge delocalize in this ring. This means it exists in deuterium form. And once it is a deuterium, we can say it is water soluble, it has high dipole, got it? It is stable molecule. So you have to remember azulene exists in deuterium form. Why deuterium? Because both individually ring become aromatic. Got it? Pause the video and write about azulene. Now try this. Which structure is correct for cyclooctatetraene? What is your answer? Cyclooctatetraene cot. Cyclooctatetraene means basically it is annuline 8. It exists in tub shape. We already discussed it exists in tub shape. Among the following, the homocyclic aromatic compound. What is the meaning of homocyclic? Homocyclic means ring consists of same atom, mainly carbon only. This is not a homocyclic, it is a heterocyclic. Heterocyclic means atom other than carbon, it is heterocyclic. And we have to determine aromatic. This is anti-aromatic, and we know that azulene is aromatic. This is our azulene, exists in deuterium form. This is aromatic, and D is not aromatic, it is a non-aromatic. And why it is non-aromatic? Because of this HH repulsion, coplanarity will disturb, means conjugation will disturb, and it is our annulene 10, the famous exception of 10 and 8. Got it? So that's all for annulene. You have to remember annulene 8 and annulene 10. Thank you. Jai Hind.